I found black mold in my dream house 2 days after closing. That nightmare scenario cost me thousands in remediation and weeks of stress. Don't make the same mistake I did. Here's the one mold inspection tip that could save you from disaster when buying a home. Before signing those closing papers, always check behind furniture, under sinks, and in basements for these warning signs: musty odors, water stains, or discolored walls. Even small spots can indicate a much larger problem hiding behind your walls. Professional mold testing is a fraction of what remediation will cost you later. At MD Mold Testing, our certified inspectors provide thorough environmental assessments throughout Maryland, DC, Delaware, and Northern Virginia. Mention this video for a $25 discount on your first inspection. Visit mdmoldtesting.com to protect your investment and your family's health. Like and subscribe for more home buying tips, and check out another helpful video by clicking below.